Hello everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 24. Can you believe it's just this vlog and the next one for Vlogmas, and then I'm going to be uploading another vlog after that, or another video after that I should say, before the new year, and then I'm taking a break. I just finished my work day, so I am going to wrap some presents now and get that going because I still need to do quite a lot of them. It is like 2 hours later now, and I just finished wrapping. Granted, I was going a little bit slow at the end there, but oh shoot, I didn't turn on the Christmas tree. How dare I? I won't show you all of the Christmas gifts because I guess I'll save that for like Christmas Day, but everything is wrapped, and now I have this mess, which is just lovely. So I'm going to clean this up, and then my mom is actually painting. She went up and started painting. We actually don't know if my sister's coming home today because she was supposed to, but that's why we were like in a rush to get this done. Where are you at? Very nice, very nice. Are you planning on doing this entire wall still?
Over here?
Yeah.
If I can.
Somebody commented on my last vlog today and said it seems like your mom's sick of Vlogmas.
What do you mean?
Like, because you just weren't, you didn't know that I was filming, or you didn't know if I was talking to you, because usually if that's the case, you don't like talk. So somebody was like, your mom seems over it.
Yeah, that's not my thing, so.
I know it's not your thing, but I force it upon you.
Yeah.
Everyone has to be forced into the camera.
And I never know when it's on and when it's not on, and that annoys the heck out of me.
Sorry, I don't give a warning. Maybe I should start wearing a light that says camera
like a
on.
heads up, yeah, hey, I'm not talking just to you, Mom, I'm talking to everybody.
We like spontaneous.
No,
Alright, love you. I'm gonna clean up downstairs. And then we can make cookies! Guys, this is so embarrassing because this is just not like me, but I showed you guys a few days ago what my room is looking like, and of course it got worse today because I was shooting and doing presents and things like that, so I just left it the way it was, knowing that I'd be cleaning it today. But this is what it looks like now. This is absolutely ridiculous. This is not like me at all, and I cannot deal with this. This is much better. I just moved everything into a place. I'm going to close that then, but it's really hard to close, honestly. And then these things I just need to sort in a little bit. But I just got out of the shower and put a fresh tan on, and now I need to go run an errand for my mom. So I look a mess, but this is just, this is just how it has to be. So I'll be back soon, and then we're gonna make cookies. I broke out my KitchenAid. This is from like, I don't even know, when I was like 12 or something like that, but I'm gonna start making cookies now. Interesting. Okay.
Whoops.
That's good. These ones are big. Milk chocolate. We got dark, milk, semi-sweet. And 4 cups total because we are doubling the batch. we had a little bit left over. Just a little.
25 or 350 for a
You see, I got 80 there today. Yeah, you did.
No.
When you up there painting, I stuck my finger in my head.
Oh, no.
You seen that?
Or a Krispy Kreme donut.
Oh, it's crispy. Like a skinny little rake. Huh?
I don't think I did.
How's your bicep? Did you use it?
Which one?
No. You
Oh
didn't?
my god. There's a lot of chocolate in these.
I'll eat that. And I'll eat that one too.
So it's too gooey to eat.
Oh my. Oh my lord.
So you
Oh boy.
So the cookies turned out so good, but I want to take you around now because tomorrow is going to be Christmas Eve and it's just going to be a hectic day. I won't even really be here for most of the day, most likely, so I will be spending Christmas Eve with Dom's parents and his family actually. So I'm going to take you around and do a little Christmas house tour, starting in the, we call it the white room, but it's more like a, what is this, a living room? I guess it would be a living room, or a family room. I forget which one is which, but this is the tree. This is a 9-foot tree, I believe, and my mom just got a new one, I think last year or this year, I forget, but it's a fake tree. She goes all out, and if you watched my decorate with me, this is where I got the inspiration to do my topper. I'm showing them your work of art. And then over here she has this little piece, very simple, and then she made this arrangement by hand probably a few years ago. And same with this one, she kind of just like reuses the same arrangements, and yeah, I think she uses all fake now for the most part, but she does make some real arrangements as well. So we got this in this room, and then excuse the few things that are out of place right now, but this is the foyer here. And she has a garland going up the stairs with these big bells on it, some little sticks in the garland, and then this centerpiece up here. This is actually used, actually, I don't know, I think she uses real and fake in this centerpiece here. And yeah, this year she usually has lights in it, but this year it's not like as lit up as it usually is, and I think it's a little bit different. Then over here we have this. She just goes all in, does it all herself. Crafty little gal. There's nothing really upstairs. These are my favorite things, the nutcrackers. They used to be my favorite when decorating as a kid. So she has a little like garland up there. And then in here, I think, yeah, she does this up a little bit too, but this is up, I think, for the most part all year round. Mom, is this up for the most part all year round?
Yeah.
But do you change anything for Christmas?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay.
I just
Never mind.
like that.
Okay. Oh, and here comes the grand finale. There she goes. Yeah. And then, yeah, she has a garland up on top of the thing. Let's see. In the kitchen here, nothing really crazy. The Polar Express is on. A little snowman over here. And then we have this little garland. This is kind of like new this year. Little something here. Oh, completely forgot to finish this area. We have a little lantern. Literally, can you not? we have a little lantern. She just got this year, and then this is the smallest tree. I think this is like a 6-foot tree. And this is probably like my favorite tree because it's just really decked out with like all different sorts of garland, and yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites. I feel like this is the most decorated room because this is where she's at most of the time. But over here we have this little situation. A little situation going on here. The fireplace, mantle, just all decked out. We have my favorite movie for Christmas, The Polar Express. I'm 5 years old. And then this is the second tallest tree. I don't know, I think this is probably like a 7.5-foot tall tree if I had to guess. We had this one forever, and it's like the purple theme tree with like feathers and things like that. And yeah, that's this tree. She has a little situation going on over here. Over here as well. And that's it. Were you working out? No, you weren't. Alright, that is it for the little Christmas house tour home edition. Hope you enjoyed. Alright, before I end off the video and wind down for the night, it is kind of late, but I do want to watch the Polar Express. I want to share with you guys this alarm clock that I just ordered 2 days ago. Vivian Audie, I saw talking about it on her Instagram. She got this alarm clock, and it basically is a smart alarm. And it hooks up to your phone. It has a personal sleep routine, a reading light, sleep sounds, a sunrise alarm. It's just like the way she described it, and when she was kind of demoing it, exactly what I didn't know that I needed but really need in my life, because I use my phone as an alarm, and working on my phone all day every day is not the best to like also just wake up and immediately go on my phone, and then in some ways I basically start work right when I wake up. So it's like that mindset of like waking up and then immediately the work day has started, and that's the same with going to bed. So I wanted something different, and I really want to use an alarm clock again, and it also has a light to it, so you can like put a light on and it will wake you up with a light, which is extremely useful since daylight savings is just terrible, and it's hard to wake up early when you don't have like any light surrounding you. I love waking up with natural light, but it's really hard for me to do that with daylight savings, and I'm like a morning person in general, so it's just terrible and the worst. So I'm going to sleep with this tonight, and I guess I'm vlogging tomorrow too. So, or am I vlogging tomorrow? No, I'm not vlogging tomorrow, I guess. Interesting. I do want to vlog tomorrow, but anywho, whenever I get to share my update with you on how I like this, I will do so. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. I will see you for, wow, we'll see you for the last day of Vlogmas. This is crazy. So have a Merry Christmas, and I hope Santa treats you well.